Hi there, Jay Buchanan, J5 Speedshop. Welcome to our December update. Behind me we have the Handyman chassis, looking all stanced out. That's Daytona floor jacks. Back in black, looking good. Brian's working on the sheet metal, or he's at the beach. Not really sure on that yet. Enough sand in there to, well, be worried about great white sharks. GTO went to PRI this month. Falcon over there went to PRI. Smash those links to see those videos, you know. Yeah, I gotta ask for you to click and like, you know, this is our livelihood. If you don't like the videos, Thor's gonna have to get a real job. So, thanks a lot. I don't even know why it's a question, Brian. What the fuck, Brian?
You know what? Screw all of you. Yeah, get it done.
Yeah, Brian, what the fuck, Brian? 6 or 9 more times, you're out of here.
Baby.
Tell me when it's right.
Oh,
Right?
yeah, a little more.
Yeah. A little more. Whoa!
Roll that thing up. Roll it up, dude.
Why didn't we put this on a whip?
Because we don't like to do stuff the easy way.
Jay likes working on the ground. Jay's the ground guy.
You literally have a fucking operational lift right there.
Yeah, but where GTO goes on it at a moment's notice.
You know what? I want to replace going on the board boat 27, okay? So just hold the front. That's gonna go that way.
Oh, hang on.
Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Yeah. That's the way you do it.
Right. Okay, you can go down. Whoa. It's perfect. The little chassis is this one. Okay, that needs to go down just a smidge more toward this. Smidge more. Whoa!
Point one.
Oh,
You got it 0.
well, you're gonna have to lift him a little bit because we're resting on the rack. Just one little bit. Oh!
0.5.
Yeah.
0.4. 0.3.
What's for that?
0.3.
So come down a little.
Just give me that point 2.
I was actually doing J5.
You're doing some J5? I was actually physically doing some J5 stuff.
I got that on camera. It is recorded for history.
Oh, no doubt.
No doubt. Brian, you got more stuff for me to cut? So it looks like I'm doing something? Alright, well let me know. I'll be there to cut it, okay?
We're gonna walk over here and look at the Handyman. Brian made some progress on it today.
Oh yeah, get this action shot right here.
Action footage.
Yeah, this is so
I was
sweet.
gonna talk
this is great
about
for the viewers.
Jesus. I was gonna talk about
Brian,
how
sweep this up too.
we have
want to.
the doors removed and everything's braced so that he can start cutting out the floor. And that rust repair. Are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, it's the thrilling part of the job.
No, I am kind of excited. I think it's fun.
I mean, we get to make it look amazing, and I think that's pretty cool.
And it's fun.
It is fun. The welding stuff is my favorite part. It's all shiny.
Yeah. It's all about the wow factor.
Shock and awe.
Yeah. Let's see how close we are to the tolerance here.
Take the weight off it?
Yep. Hey.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah,
Good?
I'd say we're looking pretty darn good.
Good work. Good work.
Not even tacked up yet. We'll tack it up. It'll be like 16 degrees off. Just watch.
Because it's gonna travel.
Oh, Brian, you want to bring the air gun over here as soon as I'm done welding? Hit it so I don't burn the darling out of this thing. Yeah, I know. Okay, it's technically in there.
Looks kind of cool, like it's like lunging itself forward.
I like the visualization.
It's like a frog.
Yeah.
Hey, we go with 1, 2? 1, 2? Shut up for a second. I mean, you can wiggle it right now, Brian.
Well, I'm sure you can. I don't know, that's pretty... I call it good though.
I'm gonna lower it.
You do both sides?
Yeah.
I don't think you need a second tube. Like, I mean, in the LS, maybe there's a lot more torque in them motors.
it's just
a stock 350, right?
What if we Joe Paul, let's ask the audience and we'll wait for the
No, we're not asking anybody. Anybody fucking ain't.
Yeah. No. Jay's gonna do what he wants.
Well, this
All the sheet metal in here,
Yeah.
it's like this. So we bend
Right.
the inside part up straight.
instead of having it dip in.
More
Yeah,
clearance.
Yeah, instead of angling in.
Yeah.
with
Okay.
Much more clearance.
I like that. They look. I don't know why I didn't realize or remember that the rear wheels like tuck up inside. It looks really cool.
They weren't like that before.
Oh, they were.
The wheels were smaller, and they were in there a little bit, but
Not like that.
Do we have? I mean, it fits.
It
If he
fits.
wants, we can hammer and dolly it a little bit. Unless he
Just
wants to cut it
give
and
it
put a
some
new piece in.
clearance. It'd be nice to be able to keep the original
now.
fire though.
come on.
It's me and Brian hanging out at J5 Beach. Sand behind me, no beach balls of any kind, but this is the way me and Brian are going to spend our New Year's, hanging out with this 55 Handyman, enjoying the sand, kicking back, having some cervezas, you know. What does Dom say? You can have any beer as long as it's Corona. And Brian, you can wipe the bottle for Mr. Paul. Have a happy New Year. Thanks a lot for all your support. I couldn't afford the green screen and the fireplace behind me, so just got Brian with the broom. That's all we get. Thanks a lot, and have a happy New Year. Hi, it's me, Jay. J5 Speedshop, frontman, Super Amadeus. Pro Street, not so yellow truck. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. Pro Street might get a paint job, maybe. Maybe start a GoFundMe for me. Only time will tell. Truck needs paint. I need to drive it this summer. You gotta help me out. Like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do.